Hello. If you're struggling to remove yourself as an admin on your created page, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First of all, look on your left side column and go to Pages. These are the 3 pages I have. I want to remove myself as an admin from this page. Go to Meta Business Suite. I want to remove myself as an admin from this page. If you see another page here and not the one you want to remove admin access from, click on the drop-down icon here. You'll see your pages here. Select the one you want to remove access from. Once the desired page is selected, go to Settings. Click on it. Click on your name. Now you'll see the page here. Go to Manage. Select Remove Access. OK. The page access is successfully removed. Go back to Facebook Pages. Refresh it, and you won't see that page here. If this video was helpful, don't leave without liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel.